Hello everyone, welcome to Unlock Apple, and in today's video we're gonna try to unlock two iPhones on your screen. And before we start, I would like everyone to see one, I'm using iPhone 5s on your screen, and another iPhone we are using iPhone XR, the latest one. So the reason for me to use these two iPhones are some people using small iPhones like iPhone 4, 4s, 5, and so on, and some people using iPhones, they are the latest ones like iPhone X, XS, XR, XS Max. So this is solution for everyone. And the thing we are going to try, according to the information I have received, it says it's going to work for 100%. And for this, some of them iCloud unlock codes I'm going to apply on iPhone 5s, and some of them I'm going to apply on the iPhone XR. So we're going to match. If something is going to work for iPhone 5s, you can try on your on your big iPhone, and something is working in iPhone XR, you can try on your small iPhones. So you can going to have two options to try to make your iPhone iCloud free. So for this purpose, very simple. First, we are going to start from the beginning. What we really have to do is going to start. First thing, you have to choose your language, the one you understand, and whatever appears on your phone. You can use this method without SIM card and with SIM card. At the moment, the big iPhone I have, I don't have a SIM card, and the small one I have a SIM card. So the method applies to all. Some people asking me question, please make a video without SIM card. This is for them, and some people asking for with SIM card. If you have a iCloud lock activation, if you have a link Apple ID or link to any Apple ID or lost or any other reason, this method works for everybody, as you can easily access to your iPhones. Now click manually and just connect your iPhone with a normal Wi-Fi. It can be your hotspot, it can be your home Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi, anywhere. The main thing is to connect with an internet. Okay, at this time appears on the small iPhone 5s on the top middle, and in this iPhone doesn't appears any time, but we are waiting to see if they both have iCloud activation locks or not. Once we do that, we're going to the next step. In next step, I'm going to give you an iCloud codes for each country. That means if you are living in Asia, you're living in India, you're living in UK, USA, Africa, Middle East, your EU, and I will give you one iCloud unlock code, universal as well. That means in any country you are living, you can add that code. If it's not working for the one I'm giving you for your country, so you can use that one. Okay, so first thing what we have to do, once you find out that iPhone is iCloud locked, go into your Wi-Fi settings. Once you go into your Wi-Fi setting, click the I button and check into your settings. Once you go in there, you just have to go in first into your configure proxy. Once you get inside, you click automatic. You can get your iPhone easily and go into the settings. I'm sure you can see this is 4K video. If you do not see anything properly, please get a good internet connection to have a full access. Here in capitals, everybody writing same thing. We are writing. If you do not understand anything, just leave a message. I'll be more than happy to help you for 100% free, as this channel does not support anyone commenting in spam comments. Okay, you write down admin Apple and capital C, you writing as a connect. Once you do that, things will be more clear to you once you will go further with this video as I am going. If you skip a step, of course you're not going to get your iCloud unlocked. Okay, first step done in both iPhones. Now if you are from USA or your phone belongs to USA and using in different country, then what you have to do, you have to write down the thing I'm going to write down is, okay, for people from USA, they have to add a thing what I am adding right now, and number 1. Once you add number 1, you have to add a dot. After adding dot, you writing, everybody writing numbers, what I'm writing into your screen. This is very clear. Once we do these few numbers, these are the iCloud codes that is coming directly, and it will unlock your iPhone as instant. Okay, now once you do that, sometimes you have to write down only one number, sometimes you have to write down the whole numbers. I'm going to write down in this iPhone, iPad, iPod, Apple Watch. In that case, if your USA one is not working, the other one might work for you. So make sure you're not only skipping and just going to your Africa one and writing there. No, you have to write down all numbers exactly how I am writing, and there you are writing capital C, that means connecting. Okay, now the people from USA is done. Now the second people, they are from UK, they're going to write down all right, and after they have to write down a simple plus sign and number. This is very important. Without these numbers, in any country you belongs to, when I will give you the universal one, you have to write down your country, first two initials and plus, and after you have to write down your country code, and after the code I will give you right now, you will add that one. But for now you're doing only for US, UK, so make sure you write down the UK one. Once you do that, this time I choose to talk to explain everybody, because I don't want people will struggle, so it's easier for everyone to understand what exactly going on, not to just showing on screen what nobody understands. Okay, and now we're going to write down same thing, but is connecting, and same thing here is connecting. Once you do that, now I'm going to write down for you the universal one. What if your USA one doesn't work for you? You just write down the universal one, but make sure you're writing your country code and you're writing this number how I am writing now. So I am writing, you have to write down UNI. Once you write down UNI, you write down plus sign, write down your country code. For example, your country code is 91, and then you're writing a dot, and after dot the universal code is, I'm going to reveal now, you're going to write down 772. Okay, 9217. So everybody can write down the same, 483. 20019. and here same. This is not 2019, this is 20019. You press the save button. Once you press the save button, you press back. Once you press back, the thing you do, you go back button, and we wait here. Once we do wait here, we are going to waiting for this to be connecting with the codes we have applied, and what we will get is you're going to press forget this network. Once you forget this network, it appears admin. That was our task to get. Okay, and here we do same thing. Once we forget, it appears admin in both sides. In this iPhone, it didn't appear until I click. So I click and it appears both iPhones. Now what we are going to do, without adding password, is connecting automatically. Once it is connecting automatically, pressing done, and now next. This one is still taking long. Sometimes it's quicker, sometimes it's long. Okay, now what we have to do, you see it's not connecting. So this is the procedure how we are doing. Unable to join, don't worry, press done button, press back, and you see another Apple admin appears. That means something is going on. First admin is disappear, second one appears and automatically connected. Now press next button, and what we are doing, we are waiting for this thing to be done as soon as possible. Again, we have activation lock. Both iPhones should be unlocked by the procedure we have tried. Okay, sometimes it takes really long, sometimes it can take quicker. The big iPhone XR is done more quicker than expected. That means it's really easy to unlock iCloud activation lock in any kind of iPhone with any iOS. This is here we get now results. So make sure you follow the same procedure what I have done to get your iCloud activation removed from your all Apple devices in any country. If you do not understand anything, I'll be more than happy to help you for 100% free of cost. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like. Take care.